are pleased to show you the 2014 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, power door locks, CD player, MP3 player, trip computer, bucket seats, security system, passenger airbag, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.